Do is I'm going to go over my KastKing bait caster combo here, and this is the Zephyr combo. You can see right here I have the casting reel, and this is the rod, and the rod is the one I'm going to go over with first. It's a 6 foot 8 inch medium fast, 8 to 14 pounds, 4.5, so 4 to 5 to 8 ounce of bait, and that's the recommended on here. And what I have on here, I have a Nico rig loaded up with their KastKing. These are the capsule covers. These are the bait capsules. These things I recommend too. It actually came very nicely packaged in this thing right here. You're gonna open it right here like that. And here's something that was very impressive. By the way, it's a 2-piece, and let me show you guys what came with mine. There is an extra tip. So technically, you almost get 2 rods in one, because I don't know how many times I end up breaking these tips. So there's a tip. This thing is very light, by the way. And here's the literature that came with it. It's the Zephyr. It's the KastKing. It's the IM6 Graphite. These are the FUJI line guides. So those line guides, I've actually seen that brand before. Black EV handles. The handle on there, you can see how it's got that foam right there, KastKing in the middle. So this thing actually has the little hook keeper right there, but I'm using the bait capsule today. So the reel on this is the Zephyr kind of bait caster reel. You can see it right there. This thing looks really good. There was a little bit of literature, but you know what? If you've ever used a bait caster, oh, they actually give you some stickers. So they give you some stickers in there and all the parts. So if you need to get any parts or anything, everything has the call out on that. The gear ratio's a 7.210. It's got adjustable magnets right there. It's got the drag right here, so you can adjust the drag on that. Has these little lines right here where you could turn it right here, and I get mine in a right-hand control. I usually cast right and then reel right. That's just what I do. So yeah, let me go ahead, take it down to the river here. Let's do some fishing today, see if we can catch something, and I'll give you my final thoughts on this rod. Okay, I'm down here at the river. I'm just gonna go ahead. I put a jig on because in this section right here, I usually like using jigs this time of year. So what I did, I tightened the drag up just a little more on this, and I have been doing some cast out here. I've been very impressed with this Zephyr rod and reel combo here. Let's go ahead and walk out here and let's do some cast. One-handed cast. Look at that on that. Very nice. That was a pretty good cast. I would say that was a decent cast. And the retrieval on this thing's pretty quick. What's the retrieval on this? So if you had a spinner or something like that, I think the retrieval is nice. This jig seems to work well on here. Very nice kind of sensitive tip on there. Let's try to get it right up in that little small eddy right there. Right in there is where I'd want to get it. Be careful not to backlash on this thing. It's been working pretty well. I adjusted the magnets down just slightly, so the magnets seem to like be doing their job in there. So now we'll use the chatterbait some. You can see it right there. This is the Z-Man chatterbait. Everybody, I don't see any issues at all with this Zephyr rod and reel combo. This is going to be kind of like my new kind of bait casting combo going forward. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Zephyr, bait caster from KastKing, rod and reel combo. See you all in the next video.